Baloch from Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sakkar. Today we are going to discuss कि हम बेगम नुसरत भुट्टो वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी में किस तरह एडमिशन्स ले सकते हैं, उनके टेस्ट का क्या पैटर्न होता है और वो हमें कौन कौन से प्रोग्राम्स जो है वो ऑफर करती है. बिफोर डिस्कसिंग दैट हम ये जानेंगे कि बेगम नुसरत भुट्टो वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है. बेगम नुसरत भुट्टो वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी इज द फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी जो हमें वुमेन्स को एम्पावर करती है, इंस्पायर करती है और उन्हें फैसिलिटेट करती है. Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University now offering 16 programs, 14 undergraduate, 2 graduate programs, including B.Ed Honors for 4 years, B.S. English Literature, Linguistic and TESOL for 4 years, B.S. Chemistry for 4 years, B.S. Biotechnology for 4 years, B.S. Math for 4 years, B.S. Statistics for 4 years, Management and Technology for 4 years, B.S. Physics for 4 years, B.S. Artificial Intelligence for 4 years, B.S. Computer Science for 4 years, Finance and Marketing HRM, Women Entrepreneurship and Leadership for 4 years, Doctor of Physiotherapy for 5 years, MS Education for 2 years, B.Ed 2.5 years, MBS Business category for 2 years. Now we discuss what is the eligibility criteria of Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sakkar. If you are applying for any undergraduate program, then 50% in intermediate A levels. If you are applying for any deputy yani pre-medical program, then 60% in intermediate and A levels with biology. The age limit of Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University is 35 years. If you are applying for any graduate program, then 60% or 2.5 CGPA in bachelor's in education disciplines. If you are applying for BA 2.5s, then 14 years graduations, minimum 50% marks in intermediate. Result waiting students can also apply for Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sakkar. Now we discuss the test pattern of Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University. The test pattern of Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University depend upon the intermediate curriculum, and test will be divided into 5 sections. General knowledge, English, general math, analytical and qualitative reasoning, physics and basic accounting, computer science, chemistry, English literature, biology, English grammar, reading comprehension, and each section will contain 20 questions. If you are applying for BA 2.5, then 14 years graduation, 2.5 CGPA, and test will contain these subjects: English general knowledge, analytic and quantitative reasoning, English grammar, English comprehension, and general education. And each section will contain 20 questions. Each questions will carry 1 marks, and there is no negative marking. Now we discuss why we should apply in Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sakkar. Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University facilitating us with air conditioned and digital classrooms, sport facilities, healthcare facilities, transport services, fully furnished hostels, and child care centers. And the age limit of Begum Nusrat Bhutto is 35 years. So if you want to apply in Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University, then you visit the official website of Begum Nusrat Bhutto Women University Sakkar. Thank you for your attention.